That door's open. I got it.
Is this happening right now?
I don't know, you tell me.
It's pretty amazing the amount of information you have to know.
I'm sure that as the week goes on, it will probably just get worse.
Displaying levels of interest, concern, hyperintelligence, cognitive bonding. Lifting her head, she's craning forwards. Increased eye movement, she's curious. She's showing empathy.
What is that? What is it?
What the hell's going on?
I need an extra pair of hands. I volunteered.
You get crew. Aye, aye. We're loading out. Follow me.
Oh, does that mean we're leaving the ship right now?
That is what loading out means. Now get moving. Come on, follow me. Come on, kid.
Do you remember the first time you saw a dinosaur? First time you see them, it's like you read about them in books, you see the bones in museums, but you don't really believe it. They're like myths. And then you see the first one alive.
This is not your fault.
Who are you? Okay, take a breath.
The 8 pieces Germany never arrived. I've got to choose replacements.
Okay, focus, okay? Focus. Why are you so blurred? Doc, time doesn't count. Dreams don't deal in time.
You do that for me.
Only if you're incredibly grateful.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oui?
But it is.
This one's on me. I showed him the way. Now, listen, you...
What is it?
It's a funny thing about every third day I get hungry. I always have to stop and eat something. You haven't got a razor, have you? Never mind, I'll have to stop at my place. I'm a little beat for this kind of work.
You know, I think you're nuts.
You go barging around without a very clear idea what you're doing. Everybody bats you down, smacks you over the head, fills you full of stuff, and you keep right on hitting between tackle and end.
Anyway, this suit's beginning to crawl. I think I've got another one under the mattress.
Welcome, ladies, gentlemen, to this extraordinary evening. Let's dive right in with lot number 1, the Ankylosaurus. This is a herbivorous quadruped, late Cretaceous. This is one of the largest armored dinosaurs, known by paleontologists as a living tank.
I don't think you even know which side you're on.
I don't know which side anybody's on. I don't even know who's playing today.
Break.
All right, everybody just calm down. Something obviously freaked you guys out.
Maybe you looked in the mirror.
Pero creo que eres apuesto.
Oh, gracias.
eso ya puesto.
I have $4 million. Anyone? $5 million. $5 million. Do I hear six? $6 million. Thank you. Any increase on six? $7 million. $8 million. $9 million on the phones. Do I hear 10 million? 10 million? 10 million. $10 million. Once, twice. Sold. The gentleman from Indonesia. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Juvenile Allosaurus.
Now, if you want my opinion, but what I am here to tell you is that when you investigate psychic phenomena, you must adopt an objective and scientific position.
Sold. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that we are halfway through the evening, we'd like to offer a special treat to our discriminating buyers. This evening we will preview a new asset that we've been developing. A creature of the future. Wonderful. Wonderful business. Made from pieces of the past. Ladies and gentlemen, please be warned. This is the perfect blend of the two most dangerous creatures that have ever walked the earth.
I wondered what I was shot full of. Something to keep me quiet, or something to make me talk. Maybe both. Hello, I said to myself. You're a tough guy. You've been sapped twice, choked, beaten silly with a gun, shot in the arm until you're as crazy as a couple of waltzing mice. Now let's see you do something really tough, like putting your pants on.
Stay away from me! You're a total psycho.
Open your eyes! Is relentless. Now, modifications are still being made. 20 million! This is a prototype, not for sale.
21!
Well, it is still a prototype, but... 23! 24! $24 million. 25 million. Do I hear 20? Advance on 26? 27 million.
What are you doing? This animal is not for sale. If you want to create an addict, you have to give it a taste.
He's a prototype.
This prototype is worth $28 million right now. Relax. We'll make some more.
Slightly disgusted and very disappointed.
You ain't in good shape. You shouldn't know how to fight with me.
I'll murder you.
I don't like fighting with nobody.
Maybe you were just making love to me.
I like you to keep looking.
You're nuts. You're crazy as a rabbit.
You said after me.
Who said after you? The smart thinker I am, Thor?
He was king with me.
He was getting the pants off of you, son. He was waving a fish in front of your nose, so you wouldn't find your gal. Nobody's supposed to find her. I think he's got other plans for her.
You ain't in good shape. I better help you.
Don't look now, but Gussie the gun collector's back. game, you depressed me.
No, es tremendo. Estoy más que él, lo dice todo. Es tremendo.
They were just a bunch of bananas that looked like fingers. Suppose your theory were correct. I would have Miss Hill's jail now, wouldn't I? Unless something went wrong and you haven't got it. What could have gone wrong?